Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to update the group policy settings manually. Generally speaking, when you update the group policy, you typically would restart your computer. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to actually manually force the update without having to restart your computer. So pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the start menu. Type in CMD. Best match should come back with command prompt. You want to go right click on that and then select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. Now there's going to be a couple commands in the description of the video. The first one is going to be the ideal situation where you only have to run one command, and that would be just typing in gpupdate. So basically just gpupdate, all one word, hit enter. Give it a moment. And it should say it has completed successfully. And for some reason, if it has not, you might have to type in gpupdate, same as before, and then a space /force. So again, gpupdate, then a space /force. Hit enter on the keyboard. Again, this is if the first one doesn't work. And should say again, update has completed successfully. So pretty much there you go, guys. So straightforward tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.